Just finished up the trailer build. 39 build, final build up video is almost done. Working on that still. This time we got another side project, so I know all these things run like concurrently because I do a lot and I change it up most days so I don't get bored. I always like these weightlifting ones because the equipment that people sell to like the weightlifting community is way overpriced for what it is, and you know, I like being able to build it for like, you know, half the price. So let's get to it. But yeah, it's a reverse hyper build. This guy, I'm building it for his rack, so it's not standalone. I have his rack dimensions and everything else I'm gonna do from scratch. So it's just, you know, basically weights that swing back and forth. This is the side view, front view, top view. Swing back and forth and allow your, you know, lower back to flex from the, you know, momentum of the weights. So let's get right into it. I think I'm gonna start with the rack mounts. All right, quick little pit stop break to show you guys how I'm making the mounts for these pillow blocks that the swing's gonna rotate on for this reverse hyper. So here's the bearing. It's like 15 bucks for two of them on Amazon. I think they're meant for go-karts, but they'll work. Should be a 1-inch bore, hopefully, we'll see. It's gonna go right there. I just got a piece of 2x4. This is all 14 gauge, by the way. I think 14 gauge will be stiff enough to do a little swing as well as put weight on it. But yeah, that's how those are made. So gonna go make that other side and keep stacking welds on top of welds, because that's just what, you know, you got to do. It's like the only way to do it, really. You just keep stacking and stacking. So gonna make that side, throw in that center swing section, and then build down. And we're almost done. We're still cooking. We are moving forward. So finally got the bearings in place. I had to buy new ones that were the correct size, and I went to go buy some actual 1-inch OD tubing, Schedule 40 tubing from my metal supplier instead of running black iron pipe, just because it fits better. But we're gonna make the swing part now. So this is obviously upside down. This is where the weights are going. This is actually from Home Depot. I didn't feel like buying a stick of 2-inch tubing. This is gonna be for gussets, and that's gonna be the swing that you know, swings back and forth. So I'm going to, this one, it's gonna go from the middle up. It's gonna be just like that. Gusseted it with that 1x1. That's gonna be at the very end, drilled through the center, welded on both sides, so it's nice and clean. Then we're gonna cap all the extra stuff to make it nice, do some final grinding and paint. So I will let you guys enjoy the rest. That way I can get this knocked out, since I'm already a little late on this guy's project. So I'm gonna knock the rest of it out and try and get it done by the end of the day. All right, customer wanted to have some hand grips resting on top as well. So just a piece of 2x2 and some 1-inch stock, all 14 gauge. And as you can see, that's how it turned out. All I'm gonna do now is paint it white, because he wants it white. So let's get to painting. That's how it turns out. As you can tell, the paint covers up some of the imperfections in the welds. You know, grinder and paint make you the welder you ain't. It's a very true very true saying, I'm sorry. I added those hand holders, 2 different settings for short and tall people. Center section swings out, weights go there, bearing, pretty simple. Hopefully it fits the guy's rack. I measured twice, so that should be it for that one. Next time we got these move bumpers coming up. I have to weld these move bumpers together for this guy's 2500. That's gonna be a fun one. 39 videos coming. There's a trailer over there, video coming for that. Got a pre-runner bumper coming. There's a bunch of videos coming, a bunch of side projects, because you know what? They fund the 39 project, and that's a never-ending spree of money. So I will, who's that? Who's that? Wilburs. William. Hello there. I will see you guys next time.